Hello everyone, if you want to make the most beautiful wrapping for your medium-sized bouquet, keep on watching. I have a gorgeous bouquet right here with lisianthuses, some tulips and eucalyptus, and we're going to use a green paper to wrap this beautiful bouquet. So I measured the paper. I always want to leave a few centimeters on each side. I don't like when it's too tight. Once cut, I like to fold my paper into just like that. This allows me to have 4 triangles, and I position a thinner transparent paper at the center, just like that. I like to fix it with some scotch tape so things don't move a lot. And to allow freedom of movement, I like to cut at the center so I can bring my papers at the front and grab it properly. I grab a second sheet of my clear or translucent paper and I scrunch it up at the front and on the side. I grab the other one as well, bring it forward. You can tie everything together right here, but if you feel confident, you can wait up until the end to tie everything together. Since I have more practice, I usually prefer to tie everything at the end. So here it's super easy. I fold the paper just like that and I position my bouquet at a slight angle so I can bring the paper forward properly. And in this case, I picked a really nice pink satin ribbon to match the flowers. I tie everything together once. Again, if you prefer to tie every step of the way, you can do that. With practice, you'll be able to feel more confident and tie maybe just once at the end. Look how cute this bouquet looks. It's super beautiful, very elegant, and if you follow the steps one by one, you'll be able to create the most beautiful wrapping for your bouquet.